Hello my dear students, welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read the 8 kinds of parts of speech, that is interjection. What is interjection? An interjection is a word expresses some sudden feeling or emotions. With the help of example, student, we will get it clear. For example, hello, what are you doing there? So, hello expresses a certain feelings of attention. Alas, he is dead. Alas expresses the sudden feelings of grief. Hooray, we won the game. Hooray expresses the sudden feelings of joy or celebration. Ah, have you gone? Have they gone? So expresses the sudden feeling of relief. Oh, I got such a fright. Here student, oh expresses the sudden feeling of surprise or wonder. Hush, don't make a noise. Here hush expresses the sudden uh, sudden feelings of silence. So here student, we have got that with the help of interjection we can express our sudden feelings or emotions. Students, how many kinds of interjections are? According to the feelings or emotions, we can divide three types of interjection, three kinds of interjection. Number 1, positive interjection. Number 2, negative interjection. Or number 3, neutral interjection. Now one by one we will read the definition of it. The definition of each interjection. Number 1, positive interjections. Positive interjections express positive emotions or and feelings. Positive emotions and feelings. For example, ah, they have gone. So ah express what? Relief or delight. So relief or delight is which type of emotions? Positive emotion. Hey, my mother has come. So hey express what? Positive emotion of joy. Hooray, we won the competition. So hooray express what? Positive emotion, that is joy. Wow, what a great surprise. So what express what? Positive emotion, that is amazement. Hey, you got your award. So hey, yay express what? A positive emotion, that is congratulations. So student, we have got here that positive interjections express positive emotions and feelings. Number 2, negative interjection. What is negative interjection? Negative interjection express negative emotions and feelings. For example, oh, we lost our match. So, oh expresses what? Negative emotion, that is disappointment. Ouch, I got hurt. So, ouch express what? Negative emotions, that is pain. Ugh, I want to be alone. So ugh here student, it expresses the negative emotions, that is frustration. Alas, he is dead. Alas expresses what? Negative emotion, that is grief. So negative interjection expresses negative feelings and emotions. And with the help of these examples, it is clear here that the feeling of disappointment, pain, frustration and grief, they are negative feelings and they are represented here with the help of the interjection ouch, ugh or alas. Number 3 student, neutral interjection. What is neutral interjection? Neutral interjection express neither positive nor negative emotions and feelings. Neither positive nor negative. They express which type of feelings then? Neutral feelings. Neither positive nor negative. For example, hey brother, I know you. So here a brother express what? Only the call of attention. There is no any feeling of positive or negative sense. Number second, hey, is she pretty? So here A is used for what? Only for asking a question. There is no any emotions of negative or positive. Oh, I believe you. Here O express what? Only a feeling of comprehension. There is no any feeling of positive or negative emotions. Shh. Try to sleep. Here shh express what? It express the feeling of only to call for the silence. There is no any feeling of negative or emotion, negative or positive emotions or feeling. So student, we have got here that neutral interjection expresses neither positive nor negative emotion. They express neutral feelings, means neither positive nor negative. So with the help of these example here, a, ah, oh, shh, they express what? They express the feelings, they express only neutral feelings. And with the help of these interjection, we can express our neutral feelings, that is call for attention, use for asking question, comprehension, to call for silence. So these types of interjections are used for neutral interjection. Now students, interjection may express different types of feelings. For example, for joy we can use hurrah, for grief we can use alash, for surprise we can use ha, sorry, this is or what, and for approval we can use bravo. So here we got a student that interjection may express different types of feeling. They can express the feeling of joy, they can express the feeling of grief, they can express the feeling of surprise, they can express the feeling of approval also. Now some interjection express different feelings. Some particular interjection express what? They express different types of feeling. For example, ah. In the first sentence, student, ah, that feels good. Here, ah express what? Expressing pleasure. Second example, ah, now I understood. Here, ah express what? Expressing realization. Here, ah express what? Realization. Number third, ah, I have won. So here, ah express what? Surprise. So here student, with the three example we have got here, that some interjection expresses different feelings. It depends upon the complete sense of the sentence. In first sentence, ah express pleasure. Second sentence, ah express realization. In third sentence, ah express surprise. So it is clear that some interjection express different feelings. Number 2 student, hey. So how hey are of different meaning? Come on, with the help of example, let it clear. Number 1, hey, look at that. So here hey express what? It express only for calling attention. It is used, hey is used for calling attention. Number 2, hey, what a good idea. So expressing what? Here in the second sentence, hey express surprise or joy. So again it is clear student that hey is used for calling attention also, and hey is used for surprise or joy too. One more example is here of oh. Now how oh expresses different feelings. In sentence number 1, oh, you are here. So what is it? It's expressing surprise. Oh, I have got a toothache. So expressing what? Pain. In second sentence. In third sentence, oh, please say yes. So here, oh expressing what? Expression of pleading or requesting. In third sentence. So student, we have got here that oh is also used for different types of feelings. For example, for surprise, for pain, or for pleading. One more example is student here of well. So for example, how well is used for different types of feeling. For example, student number 1, well, I never. So what well expresses here? Well expresses the feeling of surprise. Well, I never means I never can do it. I never can understand it. I never have got it. Okay, so here well is used for what? Well expresses the feeling of surprise. Number 2, well, what did he say? Here, well is used for introducing a remark. So we have got here, student, that well is also used. Well is an interjection. Well is an interjection and it is used for expressing different feelings. In example number 1, it expresses surprise. In example number 2, it is used for introducing a remark only. So we have got here, student, that some interjections are used for expressing different types of feelings. Now, one more example, student, hurrah. So, hurrah is used for different feelings. For example, hip hip hooray, we won the game. Here, hip hip hooray expresses what? It expresses the emotions of celebration. In the second sentence, hurrah, it's time to go to home. So it expresses what? It expresses the emotions of joy. So we have got a student that hurrah also expresses different types of feelings, sometimes of celebration, sometimes of cheering, sometimes of joy. So we have got here that different types of interjections are used for expressing different feelings in different sense. Thank you for watching the video, student. Here we have completed our parts of speech, and now I will come with a different topic on our complete series of English grammar. So let's watch my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.